Welcome to Compare to Win. The best silver Lego is probably one of the most iconic and versatile building toys ever created, offering endless possibilities for creativity and imaginative play for builders of all ages, from intricate architectural models to fantastical creatures and vehicles, making it a timeless classic that continues to inspire and entertain generations with its simple yet profound ability to bring ideas to life brick by brick. Number 5. LEGO Speed Champions 007 Aston Martin DB576911. Experience the thrill of building your own replica of James Bond's iconic Aston Martin DB5. This detailed model captures the essence of the classic car. Bring the world of espionage to life with the included James Bond minifigure, dressed in his signature black suit. A toy wrench accessory adds to the fun. Relive exciting racing action or showcase this stunning car model as a centerpiece in your LEGO Speed Champions collection. It's perfect for display. Engage in an interactive building journey with the LEGO Builder app. Zoom, rotate, and visualize your creation from every angle as you assemble it. Searching for a gift? This iconic car model kit is an ideal present for kids aged 8+, car lovers, and fans of James Bond movies. It's perfect for any occasion. This replica features authentic details like molded silver spoke alloy wheel inserts and 4 interchangeable license plates, just like the real thing. What we like. This set brings the iconic Aston Martin DB5 from James Bond to life. It includes a special James Bond minifigure and a detailed replica of the car. If you are a fan of James Bond movies or classic cars, you should consider this set for an exciting building and display experience. What people say. The bricks are a good size and easy for small hands to grip. The set includes a variety of colors and shapes, allowing for creative building. The pieces connect securely, making for sturdy constructions. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75192. Prepare to embark on an epic building adventure. This is the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever created, perfect for adult fans and master builders. It's designed for hours of creative play or to be showcased as a stunning collectible. Recreate legendary scenes with an incredible cast of minifigures. You'll find the original crew including Han Solo and Chewbacca, alongside characters from the newer films like Rey and Finn. It's a complete ensemble for any Star Wars enthusiast. Step inside and discover a wealth of interactive details. From the main seating area with its holographic game to the engineering station, every element brings the ship to life. You can even access the engine room and escape pod hatches. The exterior is just as impressive, featuring removable hull panels and a lowering boarding ramp. Don't miss the concealed blaster cannon and the detailed cockpit. It's a true masterpiece of design. This incredible model measures over 33 inches long, making it a truly imposing display piece. Its sheer size and detail ensure it will be the centerpiece of any collection, whether in your home or office. Explore the hidden features that make this build so special. Slide open a panel to reveal a concealed blaster cannon, or turn the heads of classic characters to see their breathing masks. It's full of surprises. What we like. This is the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever built, perfect for adult fans and expert builders. It features a highly detailed interior and exterior, along with multiple minifigures. If you are a dedicated Star Wars collector or a master builder looking for a challenging and rewarding project, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The LEGO set is a great addition to any collection, with intricate details and a satisfying build experience. The pieces are well made and connect smoothly, allowing for creative building and imaginative play. This LEGO set offers a unique building challenge that is both engaging and rewarding for builders of all ages. Number 3. LEGO Star Wars AT-AT Walker 75313. Introducing the ultimate LEGO Star Wars AT-AT Walker UCS buildable model. This collectible set is designed for adults, offering an immersive building experience. This realistic walker features posable legs and head, opening hatches, and rotating cannons. Experience the Star Wars universe like never before. The detailed buildable model includes removable panels and a bomb drop hatch. A hook is also included for attaching to Luke Skywalker's line, adding to the playability. Its spacious main body can hold up to 40 minifigures and 4 speeder bikes. It's perfect for recreating epic Star Wars battles. This set comes with 9 Star Wars minifigures, including General Veers, Luke Skywalker, snowtroopers, and AT-AT drivers. Complete your collection with these iconic characters. With 6,785 pieces, this big Star Wars LEGO set offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It makes a stunning centerpiece when displayed. This LEGO Star Wars UCS set is the ideal birthday present or holiday gift for any Star Wars connoisseur and advanced LEGO builder. It provides hours of enjoyment and a new way to play in LEGO Fortnite. What we like. This is a massive UCS AT-AT walker model, designed for adult collectors and advanced builders. It boasts realistic features like posable legs and head, and comes with 9 Star Wars minifigures. If you love the epic battles of Star Wars and want a stunning centerpiece for your collection, this set is an absolute must-have. What people say. The silver LEGO bricks are a fantastic addition to any collection, offering a unique metallic sheen that stands out. These silver LEGO pieces are perfect for creating futuristic models or adding a touch of elegance to existing builds. The quality of the silver coating is excellent, with no signs of chipping or wear even after extensive play. Number 2. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit, Pink. Transform your space with our stunning watercolor dots. These easy-to-use decals add a pop of pink to any room. Simply peel them off the sheet and stick them on the wall. If you change your mind, just reposition them, it's that simple. Worried about damage? Don't be. Our decals are always removable and leave no sticky residue behind, keeping your walls pristine. These decals aren't just for walls. They stick beautifully to most smooth, flat surfaces, offering endless decorating possibilities. Each kit comes on 4 large sheets, measuring 17.25 inches by 9.75 inches, giving you plenty of pieces to work with. With 59 individual pieces, you have everything you need to create a unique and personalized look for your home. What we like. These watercolor dots offer a quick and easy way to decorate any smooth surface. They are repositionable and safe for walls, leaving no residue. If you're looking for a simple, temporary, and stylish way to add some color to your room or a craft project, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The LEGO pieces are well made and fit together perfectly, allowing for smooth building. The silver color is vibrant and consistent across all the bricks, giving a premium look to the finished model. This set includes a variety of unique pieces that are not commonly found in other LEGO sets, adding to its versatility. Number 1. LEGO Dual Scabbard with 2 silver katana swords. Introducing the LEGO Dual Scabbard, a perfect accessory for your minifigures. It's designed to hold 2 swords with ease. This set comes complete with 2 gleaming silver katana swords. They are ready for any adventure your minifigures embark on. Designed specifically to fit LEGO 2-inch minifigures, ensuring a secure and stable fit. Your figures can now wield their weapons effectively. Please be aware that this product contains small parts. It is a choking hazard for children aged 3 and under. Kindly note that the white minifigure model shown in some images is not included with this product. You can use your own favorite minifigure. What we like. This accessory pack provides a dual scabbard with 2 silver katana swords designed to fit LEGO minifigures. It's a great way to customize your minifigure characters. If you're looking to enhance your LEGO minifigures with cool accessories for display or imaginative play, this set is perfect. What people say. The silver LEGO bricks are a fantastic addition to any collection, offering a unique metallic sheen that stands out. These silver LEGO pieces are perfect for creating futuristic models or adding a touch of elegance to existing builds. The quality of the silver finish is excellent, with no chipping or scratching observed even after repeated use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.